tell me which JC or which JC you're from. Okay. Now, he was from NUS. I was from Calgary, in Alberta, Canada. In case you don't know. All right. So he is a creative director. Hi. May I know your race? May I know your race? May I know your race?
Why?
No, I mean I just want to know whether you are, together with them.
Malay.
Malay, eh? Malay, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, no wonder. Alright, okay, anyway, no, it's for you, alright? It's for you, okay? Now,
Recorded
he is a
racist.
creative director. My brother-in-law is a chief executive officer.
Yep.
My nephew is a lawyer, alright?
Yep.
That's how I got you in yeah. Now, come on. Let him have an opportunity to tell the police. Tell the police why I need to mix around you. He said, yup, right? Go, come. Tell the police.
Tell police what?
Why I need to hang out with you guys because you're always, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? It's not coincidental. I was a watcher, I'm not that stupid. Seriously. You're wasting our time, It's been how many years? 9 years? Huh? I will never mix around with you guys because we are so different. The second Indian guy I met on Monday is this guy. He's waiting to go into medical school in NUS, future doctor. Alright? So, you want me to tell, or maybe you. Don't waste time. You're wasting your time. I don't want to waste your time. I already told you, the people I can get along with, alright? Bala, from NJC, I was from Hwa Chong. Okay, he was from NUS. Okay, I was from Calgary. He's a creative director. My brother-in-law is a chief executive officer. My nephew, who is around your age, 24, is a lawyer. So, 1, 2.